The title of this lecture is, Does the Situation or Character Determine Leader Behavior? During August of 1971, an experiment called the Stanford Prison Experiment was conducted. Philip Zimbardo, a psychology professor, led the researchers. In the basement of Stanford University, a simulated prison was created. Of the student participants, some were assigned to be the prisoners and some were assigned to be the guards. The students chosen to be the guards were excited about their roles. Some took their roles to the extreme, being so enthusiastic so as to derive pleasure from humiliating the prisoners. Due to the increasing brutality shown by the guards, the experiment was terminated after only 6 days. The power provided to the guards as exemplified by their uniform modified their behavior. The position given to the guards determined their behavior. The experiment showed that the situation or context determined the leader and the leader's behavior. Generally, researchers believe that character is not completely removed by the situation, but the situation does moderate character.